your socials? Where your socials? Where your Instagram? Where your Facebook? What's all the ads? Let me see if I mean when I feel that type of way right now. We can see what the comment section I go on with it. Anytime I feel that vibes, I focus on my going in the comments and see what real them are talk about. Reaction. What's the ready to be boy TyrekeReacts aka the reaction boss? And I'm back in with another video for you guys. Now we hear a song from young Bredda. Second day, another young Bredda reaction. Why? Because you recommend it, don't? Song is called The Greatest Bend Over. Official visualizer. Yesterday on that board, I say, yo, why me I so much talk about those soul scene? It's a visualizer, not a music video. I understand. I'm sorry, but guess what? You build a song about the girl the bumper dog. I'm not even show the girl bumper, but we see what I'm going for that one right now. It's a visualizer again. But the thumbnail look like something go on in it. So I'm gonna see what can go on. Obviously, when you hear the song yet, you see me say, probably don't even know because I never done a reaction. But we're there now, though. So like the video, comment and this will see your comment right there next to the post. Let's get straight to it right now. Run, tune. Whoa,
what are you doing? She said,
what are you doing for real? Where you come from? No, no.
She said, she said, let me cater to you. I say cater to me. She said, just relax and let me give you the thing.
She said, for relax. Alright, me I go relax and she give me the thing there. She said, for relax and she give me. Me want to cater to she want to cater to me. What the bum buckle me for do? No. What are you doing?
No, no, no. She said, take it easy. I will do the work.
No man, hold on. She said, take it easy. She will do the work. Me not have to do no.
Wind up yourself. You don't have to. Wind up yourself. Oh, and then
she said, Jesus, like more house, more face every time she move it. But she said, yo, me not have to wild up myself. Take it easy. Take it easy. Take it easy. Cause you know, so you. Hey, heard it!
Bubble and she bubble and she bubble and wine. Push back. Is the greatest bend over. Push back. Roll your waist and bend over. Push
Hold on. Yo. See, someone wanted for the yesterday for go. Just like what the one you are going right now. Why the for the yesterday could have go on like that one you right now, my general? Why?
Push back. Is the greatest bend over. Push back. Roll your waist and bend over. Push back. Oh, Miss Lady. Bubble and she bubble and she bubble and wine. Push back.
Where your socials? Where your Instagram? Where your Facebook? What's all the ads? Let me see if I mean when I feel that type of way right now. We can see what the comment section I go on with it. Anytime I feel that vibes, I focus on my going in the comments and see what real them are talk about it right now. You see me, I said this song is a child. And like the fact that young Bredda gave us a different kind of soca, the groove. I say, alright, soca should. Alright. She does well like she playing an instrument. Ooh, I'm gonna tell you. Anyways, I love how he kept it naughty but neat. Dance. Alright then. So we not talk about the girl. That is the woman for the job. And that we are, we don't talk. Make a messy song here, man. Run tune.
Give me the greatest bend over. Push back. You are the wickedest bend over. Push back. Why? I wanna wine on your bumper. I know you like steam. I know you like vibes. I know you like speed.
I hear that the man say, "Oh, wine on your bumper, baby." You know, say like what? You know, say like what? The man know say like everything. Go on.
Work, y'all bend down, touch your knees.
Alright,
wallpaper for my iPhone screen. She said, let me
why say with the iPhone screen?
Work, y'all bend down, touch your knees. It's a new wallpaper for my iPhone screen. She said,
oh, it's a new wallpaper for my iPhone screen. I say, whoever said no, run it.
Let me cater to you. I say cater to me. She said, just relax and let me give you the thing. Yes, girl, I wanna give you the thing. You don't have to
wind up yourself.
You will do the work. You don't have to wind up yourself. Bubble and wine.
I don't lie, you know how him keep composure for so long, you know. Oh, you keep yourself composed. Eh? She got with so much antics beside you. She push me back. She roll her waist and bend over. Push back. Oh, Miss Lady, bubble. Bubble and and you keep composure and perform a song like nothing now go inside of you, my G. Could never be me. Run it! And she bubble and wine. Push back. Give me the greatest man. Oh, push back. You are the wickedest man. Oh, push back. She said, let me cater to you. I said, cater to me. She said, just relax and let me give you the tea. Bend over. You don't have to wild up yourself. Oh, she said, take it easy. And all I want to say, this girl right here, so now she go be the type of girl at the party, you know. Where now go one a man wine pan back her, you know. That she go be right now, the type of more no one a man wine pan her, you know. Yo, my left person with the direction, you see me I say, yo, thank you for watching the video, yeah, man. You see me I say, bad song from Young Bredda as usual. Don't know TyrekeReacts, but so I sign out. I go soon on another video, because we upload daily video. Numerous videos a day. Any new song I drop, just link the reaction boss. I'm out. Peace.